Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tuna sandwich. First, gather your key ingredients like canned tuna, creamy mayonnaise, and your favorite bread. Opt for tuna packed in water or oil for the best taste and texture. Don't forget to pick a bread you love, whether it's a classic white, hearty whole wheat, or tangy sourdough. Getting these basics right sets you up for success. Now, let's prepare the tuna. Start by draining your canned tuna really well to get rid of any extra liquid. This prevents a soggy sandwich. Then, use a fork to gently flake the tuna into a bowl, breaking it up nicely. Next, add your desired amount of mayonnaise, some finely chopped celery for crunch, and your favorite seasonings like salt and black pepper. Mix it all together until it's perfectly combined. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. On another note, if you're looking to make your meal prep a breeze, check out these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your tuna salad fresh or packing any lunch. You can find the link for these containers and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your tuna mixture ready, it's time to build your masterpiece. Take one slice of your chosen bread and spread the tuna salad evenly from edge to edge. For an extra layer of flavor and texture, consider adding fresh crisp lettuce, a slice of ripe tomato, or some tangy pickles. Finally, place the second slice of bread on top, gently pressing down to complete your delicious tuna sandwich. The beauty of a tuna sandwich is its versatility. Feel free to customize it with other ingredients like a touch of Dijon mustard, sweet relish, or finely diced red onion. For a warm, crispy twist, try toasting your bread lightly before assembly. Once your sandwich is complete, serve it immediately. It pairs wonderfully with a side of potato chips, a crisp salad, or a bowl of soup.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.